Well, guys, check out the size of this propeller. I think each one of the propels are at least my height easily. I'm sure if I was to walk up there, that yellow center pin is probably above my head. But we're going to check out the historical marker here. This is called the Gooney Bird propeller. This Hamilton strand, wow. I used to work for a company that used to supply springs for Hamilton strand back in Notre Dame, Indiana. 23E50-505. Hydromatic propeller is from a Douglas Aircraft C-47 transport plane known as the Gooney Bird. Wow. You gotta check it out, man. Or you guys can freeze that and read the rest of it. You guys have a good day. There it is. Man, that is major, dude. Here's Pink. Here's Pinky Baby Dad.